Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I'm back with a new video and it is our March Boxy Luxe. So I have not opened it. It came yesterday and I refrained myself from opening it. Mr. is here, kind of, sort of. He's just getting his brain, I think, to figure it out. But he's right here. So here, let me see. There's Mr. So yeah, it's kind of weird outside, cloudy, kind of, you know. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you'll think about subscribing before you leave. I do Boxycharm unboxings every month and all kinds of makeup goodness, and my cat is my co-host. So if you're wondering what's on my eyes today, I have on the Anastasia Sultry palette, and on my lips I have the e.l.f. Plumping Gloss in, oh my, you can't see it. I don't know what shade this is. I can't see that small and I don't have my glasses out here, but it's tingling my lips, so it may work. But today is the day that the Riviera palette from Anastasia comes out, so I'm gonna try to go get that and I'll have that up for review soon. But yeah, so let's see what's in the box. It's pretty heavy. And let's see. It says Hello Charmer, Boxycharm. And this is what it comes looking like. And we have this card, La Vienne Rose. I guess that's our theme for the month. Looks like a makeup bag, maybe? Let's see. Oh, Boxycharm train case. Just another perk of being a charmer. This exclusive Boxycharm cosmetics case is not only extremely chic, but it is spacious and perfect for the charmer who has to take their glam on the go. And this is $20. So it's pretty cute. It's like an iridescent kind of thingy, so 20 bucks. Okay, next up here I see Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. Oh, that's cool. And let's see, what color did they send? Eyebrow cushion. I have never tried an eyebrow cushion product. I've seen them, but I haven't tried them. So let's pull this bad boy out. Let's see. Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. It doesn't say the color. Does it say on here, Iconic Eyebrow Cushion. Give your brows the wow they deserve with Iconic's Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. This is $40, you guys. Wow. So you get a little, it's cute, you get a little spoolie and a little brush. And then it opens up. Oh, and it's all sealed up. So let's see if we can. Oh, here we go. Ah, it like leaked on me. It went, ugh, it's like all over the place now. So yeah, that's not good. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I had to go clean up a bit. This is a mess. I mean, I feel like half the product probably came out of it when it went all over the place. So that is what that looks like, and I imagine you need to make sure that this is tightly closed or it will probably dry up and you're gonna get fingerprints all over the packaging. But it's cute. I'm very interested to try it. And let's see, so that was $40. Next thing here, wow, the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. This is nice. This is $48. I already opened my Elemis and I'm using that right now, but this will probably be next. So super excited to see that. What? Yeah, see, over there. So $48 for that. That's a good deal. Let's see, what do we have? I don't like seeing lashes in my box because I don't wear lashes. I can't put them on. I've tried and like I don't know how. So these are Lilly Lashes exclusive Faux Mink Gala lashes. They're $24.99. It says add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with your new limited edition Faux Mink Gala pair of Lilly lashes. The winged style, cruelty-free lashes are durable enough to give you up to 20 wears. They're really pretty, so might have to try to figure out how to get them on. Next up here, what is this? This is a Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. $24. It says it's a moisturizing 8-hour long-wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. My lips would definitely need that. Can you read that for me, please? I think it says boom, or I don't know. Can you guys see that? Let's open it up and see. Oh, it's a nice color. It looks like a me kind of color. Definitely a me color. It's almost like what I have on. So that's really nice. This is $24.99. Is it magnetic? Ooh, it's magnetic closure. Fancy. Like that. And let's see what this is. This is by Wander Beauty. This is their Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And it says it has a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea extracts, leaf extracts. And it is instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by the kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. The rose gold skin saving peel off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. Well, I can use that, and this is $34. And let's see what this is. A set of Moda brushes. These are brushes, powder, and soft glow kit. And these say they're $29.99. That's some expensive brushes. It's a powder brush and a soft glow brush. The soft glow says sweep a luminous glow onto the high points of your face using a highlighter for a lit from within. The handles are just kind of small, so if you like smaller brushes, they're really soft. And this one's like really like soft and kind of flexible. So they're really pretty. Color's really pretty. So $30 for some brushes. Let's see, next up here we have Deborah Lipman. These are nail polishes, Odana and Modern Love. And this is $20. It's a dual patented formula. This 2-piece set lets you bring the nail salon home. There are 10 active ingredients that help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, giving you the effect of a gel polish without the damage. That's pretty cool. So if you're wondering what's on my nails today, I got this in the mail the other day, free. I think I signed up for something for a free bottle of SE nail polish, and it actually came. So it's this silver. It's called Empire Shade of Mind. So these are the colors of the polishes. This one's almost like a duochrome. So that's cool. I'd be interested to try those out. And then let's see, this Cover FX Perfection Face Palette. And this is $45. They sent me the light medium one, so that's what it looks like. Looks pretty nice, has a nice mirror. And let's see, it says 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. It's a talc-free formula, provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. So super nice. I don't even think that that's been released yet, so it might be an exclusive for us right at the start. And then the last thing up here is the Morphe 15 shade Artistry palette, and I got the 15 and the Night Master. So that's good because I did have one of the ones that was going to be one of the variety, so I was like, watch, I'll get the one I already have. So I do not have this one. I have the Brunch Babe one, and it's pretty nice. Oh, this is pretty. It's kind of smoky and dark. So I'll try it out and see. I do like Morphe products, but just some of them they're kind of hit and miss, to be perfectly honest. To be perfectly honest, yes, they're hit and miss. I mean, I liked the first Jaclyn Hill palette. I bought the Vault, and it just, like, there was so much drama with that I feel like I wasn't able to, like, really try them out and really enjoy them like I should have, or should have let myself, because there was so much negativity. So I didn't get rid of them. I still have them. I have used them, and I think they're fine. They're not, like, great. They're not horrible. They're just kind of in that middle ground of the meh. So the other palette that is in this format is a good formula, and I enjoy it, so I'm hopeful that that will be the case with this one. So with that being said, that is the end of the box, and I don't have my phone with me again to be able to add this all up. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, I came back, and I need to learn to have a calculator somewhere near when I'm doing these. So I forgot to say that Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. The Boxy Luxe comes every 3 months. You don't have to get the Boxy Luxe if you don't want it. So what they do is they charge you $49.99 on the months that they're Boxy Luxe, but all of the other months are, come on. All the other months, it's $21, and it's like a mystery. It's makeup, you know. So if you don't like being surprised, I don't recommend it, because you may get things that you don't like. But I've been getting it for over 2 years now, and sometimes there's things I don't like, and my daughter, I pass them on to her or friends or whatever. But it's all, I mean, I always feel like I've gotten my money's worth, so I enjoy it. I like being a little bit surprised, and I just look forward to it coming every month. And I know you guys like the videos. And actually the first video that I ever uploaded, hey, get up here. The first video that I uploaded was a Boxycharm video, and oh my god, it's like cringy. So like, don't go watch it, don't go find it. But that was the first video that I ever put up. So Boxycharm will hold a special place in my heart. So this box was total up for $302, so pretty good value for $49.99. And I'll probably use, or at least try, everything that I got. So that's, you know, always a good thing. There's not anything that I'm like, oh, I don't like the color. And Boxycharm is trying to do more customized boxes. So like they were telling us, make sure you go fill out the survey, because there is a survey online that you can fill out, like your preferences. So I got the light medium for the face palette, and I said I like nudes for lips, so I did get like a nude color. So they may be gearing up to do that for all the boxes. I'm not sure, but it is nice to actually get like a color that you would like. So yeah, I have a code for Boxycharm. I think you get an extra item free if you use the code, but I'm not exactly sure. But you do get something, and then I get either the item or charms. I need to check on that and see what it is I would get. But I do get something from it, so I just want to be upfront with you guys about that. So that's going to conclude this month's Boxy Luxe. We'll be back next month with the regular box. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. And if you made it to the end of the video, I love you guys so, so much. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.